Once again, I'm saying good morning to all of you guys and ladies in YouTube world. Not only in YouTube world, but also to the whole world. I'm here again to visit the final resting place of one of the oldest Filipino poet. I'm here at the main avenue inside the Manila North Cemetery. I'm walking to taking a video there in front of the tomb of the legendary old poet here in the Philippines. His name is Familia Jose Corazon de Jesus, or Hoseng Batute. And there's the graves or tomb of Jose Corazon de Jesus, born November 22, 1894. Died May 26, 1932. And here is the view outside the tomb of Jose Corazon de Jesus. And also maybe this is his wife, Asuncion Lacdan de Jesus. Asuncion Lacdan de Jesus, born August 3, 1900. Died November 26, 1986. Thank you very much guys and ladies for watching my videos here inside the Manila North Cemetery. I'm saying a lot of thank you to all of you guys and ladies, to the whole world. Thank you very much for watching my videos.